The hatchery and nursery facility is the heart of Birds International's operations, where careful attention is given to each egg until it hatches a few weeks later. Within the BII compound, 5 buildings house the nursery and the hatchery. 2 hatchery rooms with air conditioning, an exhaust system, and insulation make doubly sure the temperature and humidity is controlled and kept stable. Special equipment are also available in each room to provide the most suitable environment for the eggs. 40 groomback egg incubators, 2 hatcher units, dehumidifiers, a candler, and egg weighing scales. At the hatchery, eggs are deposited at the receiving counter, where they are first cleaned with a disinfecting solution. The Animal Intensive Care Unit, or AICU, is used as a holding station while the egg awaits the candling. This is done to keep the warmth of an egg. At this point, each embryo is inspected through candling. Slightly damaged eggs are repaired if necessary. Once their condition is determined, they are placed in the egg incubators with a desired temperature and humidity setting. Though the incubators are equipped with mechanical egg-turning devices, these are hardly ever used. At BII, hand-turning is the rule, the best insurance against damage. Eggs are turned 7 times a day at the most. As the hatching draws near, they are handled less. Technicians daily check the size of egg air cell and the development of the embryo through candling and get the egg's daily weight as an indicator of correct weight loss. The increase in air cell size will immediately indicate if an egg is losing the correct amount of moisture. Upon hatch, the first excretion is submitted to the laboratory for evaluation for any bacterial load that may cause problems and that proper attention can be given to the bird. Newly hatched birds are kept in the incubators for 8 to 12 hours, after which they are given the first feeding by hand. Then, approximately every 2 hours after that, round the clock. Then, they're moved to the nursery. A total of 42 air-conditioned rooms with exhaust system make up the nursery. Over 300 animal intensive care units, 150 wooden brooders, and several hundred portable cages are available for use, depending on the age of the birds. Bird weighing scales are also provided in each room. The well-trained in-house veterinarians and technicians closely monitoring their development also log periodical readings of the bird's weight, crop emptying time, stool, and their general physical condition. BII processes food for newly hatched progenies right at the nursery. The kitchen is equipped with a microwave oven, osterizers, pressure cookers, heavy-duty grinders, and pellet grinders. A refrigeration unit stores food and other vitamins and medications. Different types of baby food formulations, supplemented by additives and vitamins, are prepared fresh each day. Food that is not consumed within 6 hours, although kept in the refrigeration unit, is discarded to avoid spoilage. After 12 hours from hatching, the progenies are transferred to carefully assigned rooms. Hand feeders and caretakers also have certain areas of limitation to avoid contamination. As the egg is hatched, the approximate time and age is noted for correct banding to be done. When progenies reach the correct banding age and size, a closed leg band is attached to the right leg. This serves as the identification for each bird, indicating their lineage and other pertinent information that will be used. In some cases, the use of microchips implanted in the bird's breast muscle is used for further identification. Because of its experience and extensive research, BII has determined the weaning times for different species of birds. The staff carefully take note of the bird's age in relation to weight, its muscle tone, to see if the birds are indeed ready to engage in the weaning process. Hand feeding is slowly withdrawn, and solid food chopped into small pieces are introduced. After weaning and before the progenies are released into the flight cages, the birds undergo a physical checkup to address any abnormalities. A complete medical workup is done where crop and feces culture samples are taken and various tests are performed, including blood work. The birds are also sexed through surgical means. After determining the sex, an open leg band is attached to the left leg of the females, while the males do not get another leg band. When the results of the physical and medical tests are normal, the birds are slowly acclimatized and will eventually be released in the flight aviaries. Careful monitoring by the nursery staff is maintained to make sure that they are adapting well to the weather and conditions outside. In some instances, parents are allowed to rear their nestlings themselves. Like humans with mother's milk, these progenies benefit from the bacteria-killing properties of the mother bird's saliva. But artificial hatching and hand-rearing greatly reduces, if not eliminates, transmission of diseases from parent birds. Also, closer observation of the progenies may be made, and problems can be addressed earlier, if any would arise. Overall, proper artificial hatching and hand-rearing can result in a healthier and happier bird.